Hey guys! Today I am thrilled to introduce you to the groundbreaking CMF Phone 1, a marvel of modern technology and design that sets new standards in the smartphone industry. The CMF Phone 1 is a true masterpiece, featuring an interchangeable back cover that allows you to personalize your device effortlessly. It comes with an innovative accessory point with a removable cover, adding both style and functionality. The phone is IP52 rated, ensuring protection against dust and water splashes, making it a reliable companion for all your adventures. Under the hood, the CMF Phone 1 is powered by the robust MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G processor. This 8-core powerhouse, clocking up 2.5 GHz, is built on a cutting-edge 4nm TSMC process, ensuring lightning-fast performance and energy efficiency. The main camera boasts a 50-megapixel sensor accompanied by a portrait sensor, with an f1.8 aperture that captures stunning details in every shot. The 16-megapixel front camera ensures your selfies are always on point. Video enthusiasts will love the 4K recording at 30 FPS, 1080p recording at 30 or 60 FPS, and a plethora of features including live HDR, slow-mo at 120 FPS, night mode, action mode, EIS image stabilization and time-lapse in 4K. With the TrueLens Engine 2.0 and Ultra XDR, your photos and videos will be vibrant and lifelike thanks to AI vivid modes, night mode and motion capture. The CMF Phone 1 6.67-inch Super AMOLED LTPS display is a visual delight, with a resolution of 1180 by 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 395 ppi. This 8-bit color display offers Ultra HDR Plus with a staggering 1001 contrast ratio, peak brightness of 2000 nits, and typical brightness of 700 nits. The 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate ensures silky smooth interactions, while the 960Hz PWM frequency minimizes flicker, providing a comfortable viewing experience. The CMF Phone 1 offers ample storage with options of 8GB RAM paired with either 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. And if that's not enough, the storage is expandable up to a massive 2 TB, ensuring you never run out of space for your photos, videos, and apps. Stay connected with the world as the CMF Phone 1 supports Dual SIM, Nano SIM, Gigabit LTE Advanced, and Gigabit 5G Dual Mode, NSA and SA. It covers a wide range of 5G and 4G LTE bands, ensuring you have the best connectivity wherever you go. The phone is also equipped with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and advanced GPS capabilities including GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, and QZSS. Operating system running on Nothing OS 2.6 powered by Android 14, the CMF Phone 1 promises a smooth and intuitive user experience. You'll enjoy 2 years of major Android updates and 3 years of security updates, keeping your device up to date and secure. The CMF Phone 1 is powered by a robust 5000 mAh battery, ensuring you stay connected all day long. With 33 watts fast charging and 5-watt reverse wired charging, you can quickly power up and even share your battery with other devices. For added security, the phone features an under-display optical fingerprint sensor. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started. The CMF Phone 1, a CMF cable, USB-C to USB-C, safety information and warranty card, a pre-applied screen protector, and a SIM tray ejector. In conclusion, the CMF Phone 1 is a stunning blend of innovative design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. Get ready to experience the future of smartphones with the CMF Phone 1, where technology meets elegance.